Hi, I'm Amber Anderson. I'm a leadership coach, and I specifically help highly sensitive leaders learn how to maximize their impact in a way that is joyful, authentic, and expansive. Today's video is going to be a brief one, and honestly, it's a little different than most. I'm kind of considering it a love letter to highly sensitive leaders, myself included. Here's the thing, there is an empathy deficit in leadership, and I know that highly sensitive leaders were born to fill this gap. But the leadership training and advice you have gotten throughout your career has almost certainly come from people very different from you. People who are not highly sensitive and can't possibly understand your unique strengths and challenges. But that all changes right now because what I know for sure is that you are barely scratching the surface of the impact that you could make. My purpose here on this channel is to help you discover what's underneath. I'm a highly sensitive person and I'm a leader. So I'm a highly sensitive leader. And this channel is dedicated to helping other highly sensitive leaders step out of the shadows and release the shame that you are maybe feeling about your high sensitivity. Here's the thing, yes, you're different, but you're not less than. You're just better in different ways, ways that haven't necessarily been rewarded in traditional leadership historically. I will provide the support you need to step into your powerful, highly sensitive leadership strengths and to stop taking a backseat to those who are louder and faster to speak. Your leadership is not defined by your loudness, but by the depth of your empathy and the strength in your vulnerability and resilience. Your sensitivity is not a flaw, it is a leadership superpower. And here you are not alone. You are seen and understood and part of a community that values high sensitivity and empathetic leadership. Here you will receive the coaching, the training, and the support that will empower you to step into soul centered leadership with the awareness that you are not just capable, but you are destined to be part of a movement that will change the landscape of leadership.